Welcome to JourneyTrack. JourneyTrack is a persona and journey map creation platform that was designed to handle enterprise complexities. In this quick demo, I'll guide you through a high-level overview of the tool to give you just a taste of what it can do. Let's head into a project to take a look. On the first page, you'll see a project overview where you can give your stakeholders a brief introduction to your project and also access your most recently modified personas and journeys. But the first thing that many of our customers want to do is create and manage their personas. The reason this is important is because in order to manage journeys and personas, you have to have a pretty good understanding of who is my customer, what do they want, what drives them, and importantly, how can I easily inform my stakeholders of the motivations and frustrations of our key market segments. With JourneyTrack's simple interface, users can create beautiful and informative personas quickly, collaborate with others in real time, and share their personas via branded exports or other sharing options that I'll go into in just a moment. Here's a little preview of the export feature for our personas. One of the most exciting things about our personas is that they have DEI analysis capabilities built right in. With DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion being such an important focus for so many of us right now, JourneyTrack makes it easy to keep an eye on your current customer segments and how they compare to US Census data so that you can better understand how representative your current customer base is of the US population. And what's nice is that any information that's entered into this market segment or DEI demographics field in your persona cards automatically feeds into your DEI and segmentation module, making it that much easier to track representation. Once you've created your personas, it's time to send them on their journeys. A lot of times, the first step that folks will take when they're ready to create journeys is that they need to run workshops. This can be a fantastic opportunity for cross-functional brainstorming, and it often involves a lot of sticky notes on a whiteboard, either in person or digitally, which is great. But then that requires the heavy lift of having to transfer all of that unstructured data somehow into a journey map. With JourneyTrack, users can run their workshops right within the tool so that there's no unstructured data to contend with, and the workshop insights move seamlessly into journey maps, saving the users a lot of time. In the workshop, you can create your steps, move them around, and then within each step, you can invite lots of participants to join you in typing out their ideas for things like what is happening in this step, what are users thinking and feeling, what are their core needs, what other people and touch points are involved, and even starting to think about things like opportunity scoring. Users can put in all of their ideas here, move them around to do their affinity mapping, vote on their favorite ideas, and ultimately choose which of those ideas to include in their journey maps. When you're ready to create a journey map, it's one click away with this button to publish to create a journey map, saving users a ton of time without having to worry about unstructured data. Let me show you a journey map that we've already created. Our journey maps are so easy to create. The feedback we continuously receive is that creating a journey map in JourneyTrack takes a fraction of the time it would take to use one of our competitors' platforms. We offer so many different types of lanes. I'll just kind of quickly scroll through here to show you how flexible the tool is to meet just about any need you may have for what you want to create in your journey map. But there are a couple of key features I'd like to point out that solve some of our users' biggest pain points. The first challenge is that users need systematic and research-based methods for determining which steps in their journeys they should prioritize first. So starting with an emotional journey is always a great idea. You can see the pain points emotionally for users. But having a research-based method to help you prioritize your next steps is a huge draw for our customers. By leveraging importance and satisfaction data, we use the Jobs to be Done framework to help you calculate an opportunity score and an opportunity rating for how big of a priority you should make each of your steps. Once you've entered the data in here, you can visualize it on your opportunity map, where you can see satisfaction plotted against importance, meaning that this red triangle here is your real opportunity zone. Any steps falling in there are the ones to prioritize first. And you can even drill down into those top opportunities to help you see every single detail about those top opportunity steps to help you figure out what to do next. Another big challenge that JourneyTrack helps our customers solve is how to make their journey maps actionable. So we often hear from our customers that their organizations work hard to research and build journey maps, putting a lot of effort into that, maybe even printing these maps out as posters to live on a wall. But then these maps become stale and less actionable over time. They're not living and breathing and changing in real time in response to research and updates. So having a web-based tool is a great step already toward being able to make your maps living and breathing and changing and responsive. But also our recommendations lane adds an additional super awesome feature for our users. What you can do with this lane is you can create overarching recommendations and then also the associated actions that need to be accomplished in order to get that recommendation done. So you can create due dates, ownership, and priority level from right here, and even create JIRA tickets from here. And when you're done with that, you can head to your action plan and see all of those actions sitting on a Kanban board for you to manage your workflow. Each journey map has its own action plan, but there's also a global action plan across all of the journeys in your project so that you're able to see all of the actions that need to be accomplished in one place. Finally, as I mentioned before, JourneyTrack is a tool that allows for real-time collaboration and easy sharing across departments and stakeholders. I mentioned our customizable exports are beautiful, and as I mentioned, they're easy to customize depending on your audience. You can choose which data lanes you'd like to include so that depending on your audience, you can just tailor the information directly to what they need. But because exports can often become stale, they can sit in share drives and create silos between departments, we recommend that folks bring their stakeholders into the platform itself to share as much as possible. There are a couple of different ways to do that with JourneyTrack. The first is to share via our viewer licenses. Every subscription with JourneyTrack comes with unlimited viewers where you're able to create viewer accounts for people and they can come into the tool, see everything in a view-only format that's been shared with them, and then leave their comments. So in that way, they're able to participate in the process, provide their feedback, but don't actually have to be paid editor seats. An even easier way to share, if comments isn't as important to you, is with our link sharing. By generating a shareable link, anyone with the link can come in and see a view-only version of the journey map or persona or workshop that's been shared with them, and you can even set expiration dates or require passwords for access to those. There is so much more that we could show you, but to sum up, JourneyTrack is a highly collaborative tool that allows users to align around their end-to-end customer experiences. And we're already hearing from our customers about how much this tool has improved their CX workflows. Ask for a demo today.